You actually said that you're very conscious when you stand next to Mahesh Babu. So were you really serious about
Oh
what you
yeah,
said?
he's one of the most good-looking actors we have in India, and he can look good in anything. In fact, he looks best in just a normal cotton T-shirt and jeans. You know, he doesn't even have to try anything. He just looks so good in even the simplest attires, and well, yeah, it's that added thing, you know, whether you need to look presentable, you need to look presentable as well with him. And thank God for a really good DOP in Brahmotsam that he took care of half the problems.
So you worked with all the top stars, Mahesh Babu, NTR, Pawan Kalyan. So what is it that you've learned from them in the process?
Oh, you know, I've always said that working with superstars is way more easy than working with, you know, the next bunch, because these guys are so secure of their position. By these guys, I mean, like, you know, like Mahesh Babu, Pawan Kalyan, Surya, um, they, Junior NTR, they are very secure and very again, what you see is what you get. You know that what you're talking to them is what they are. You don't have to, like, you know, wonder to read too much between the lines. You don't have to try to read between the lines. What you see is what you get, and it's I find it very easy dealing with those kind of people. You know, it's very easy to go to work to, and when you know the person you're working with,
Right.
and they all have been truly inspiring in many different ways to me. Like Mahesh can he is at the top of his game, and even if the director says superb, amazing, he'll say one more. No, let me just do this one more. So even for the smallest shot, and I think he doesn't even have to. But he does it, you know. And so those days when I feel tired, I'm like, enough. I look at these people, and even at this position, they want to push harder. So you know, these things inspire me at
Right.
work. And well, Pawan Kalyan, he's an amazing person. uh, like, you know, people would be so shocked to know how he is in real life, you know, because, you know, he might be Pan Kalyan power star, but, well, do you know that in Switzerland when we were shooting, I have never said this before, I think, in Switzerland when we were shooting, and he has he's shy of crowds. Now, what can I say? He's always in the middle of some 5,000, 6,000 people, but he's really shy, like, you know, of shooting when there are crowds there. And so, like, in Switzerland, we were shooting a song, and there were, you know, tourists and stuff like that, and he was so shy, and he's like, no, you don't put the step, let me walk. And then he wouldn't come out of his van, and then Trivikram had to go and say, you just come, you do it, no, you see, you know how it be. I'm like, are you sure? It's like, you know, just watch. And then I was laughing, and you are power stand, like, this is exactly, there was cajoling, there was like, no, it's you can do it. And you said, like, really? I can do it? Really? So after I called him Papa Garu. So his pet name is Papa Garu. Papa Garu Randi, please tell me, ఏం పర్లేదు బాగా వస్తుంది. So he's so blissfully unaware of you know, that of his craze and of his power over influence over people. He's very normal, and he's a very good person too. So these things inspire me as well. Surya has his just determination and his hard work. You know, he has told me, like, you know, initially he was ridiculed. Initially. He had a lot of criticism from what industry outside, that, you know, he might not be a good actor. But look at what he has done now. I don't think anybody in India can play Atriya, Mani, and Shivakumar like he did in 24. So it's just like grit, determination, And again, he's completely unaware of his effect on women, of his good looks. Completely unaware. He's like, yeah, really, really, you think so? So I think that the moment you think that you're a superstar, and that I think that's when it goes south. So these people all have their hearts in the right place. Junior NTR, I find zero difference from I worked with him in Brindavanam, which was 6 years back, to now in Janata Garage. This person is exactly the same. There has been no change whatsoever. Even in the slightest, I know how he will react to things, hits, flops, marriage, baby, the outside world. He has not changed for anybody, and I that is an amazing too, because some people, my own friends, in if I don't meet them in 2 months, I'm like, who are you? You've changed so much. The way they talk, everything changes, but it's difficult to find people who are rooted.
Right. So this is your round two with most of the top stars, right? What are your conversations like with them?
Now it's on a pally basis. I get along well with most of them, like actually all of them. I get along really well with all of them, and I'd like to think I'm not difficult to be around. So the fact that I'm working with most of them again and again, I think is probably because they don't hate my guts.
What is Brahmotsavam all about, Samantha? This is what has Srikanth written for you?
I'm very thankful to him. I know it looks like there's so many actors in the film, but he has given me a solid role, and the trailer also starts with my voiceover.
Yeah.
So it is a typical Shrikant Adala film. Like, again, it's something only he can do, to tell very. Yeah, like I said, even in the order list, Chinna Chinna Utsavalu Kalapite Brahmotsam Avutadi, and that's exactly what the film is.
Right. So you also have Kajal and Pranita in the film. How are your equations?
I don't have any scenes with Kajal. I had, like, I think one scene with Pranita, but both of them have good roles in the film too, from what I know of the story. And yeah, I think that this film, um, it has a lot of love in the film, a lot of romance. So I think that it's been a while since Mahesh has done a film with this much of romance. Usually it's the romantic portion is always like sidetrack in most of his films.
Right.
But this is
A proper
like in the foreground. Sorry, in like the main
main.
plot.
Okay, so we heard that you danced a lot for one of the songs in the film. Does it still freak you out?
Well, I had to look drunk while I was dancing that song, so so I just passed it off in that. But yeah, dancing doesn't come as easy to me as acting does.
Right. We are equally excited about so what can we expect from that film?
Well, it's the first time that I've done quirky comedy, um, and well, the trailer and the teaser has been appreciated. I'm very, very happy with the way the film has come out. I'm really glad that Trivikram sir, he kind of uh, didn't do the whole again superstar film, and did a nice story.
Right.
And I think that has come out really well. It has all his like signatures on it all over. It's completely a Trivikram film.
Right.
We are just part of his idea and his story, but it has him completely all over the film.
Right. So almost feels like Trivikram Srinivas has written the story for you. Did you actually bribe him?
I wish this was true, and I wish I had this influence over anybody in the industry. No, I think he had this script for a very long time, but he didn't have the opportunity because he was always stuck doing like really big heroes films. And this script, I think, is one of his during Attadu itself. He had the script actually. So I think because his next film got a little pushed because the heroes dates and
Right.
stuff, so he had this time to do so that's how happened. And The thing is, even in a Yemaya Chesa way, it's actually the boy and girl have equal roles. But when it comes to a love story, the girl always happens to look like she's the center of attention. Because usually we're so used to seeing films where it's like it's hero worshipping. That when a girl slightly has a better role than normal, you immediately think that it's focused towards the girl, or it's a heroine oriented film. But I think Nitin and me have very equal roles and equal parts to play in this film.
Right. Trivikram and you almost seem like good friends, and same with Nitin. So, was it easier for you to work with friends on?
Absolutely, Trivikram is my like 24-hour friend. I can call him at any time of the day, and he's really my anchor. I have these. When I stress, I go cuckoo, like almost like go. Uh, it's very difficult to kind of calm me down. I think very few people have that ability to calm me down in such high pressure situations, and out of those few people, he's definitely one of them.
Right.